A faithful wife with honest heart, speaks gentle words that warmth impart. Her kindness soft, her spirit true, brings love and calm in all they do. A wise heart sees the road ahead, and yields a step where pride might tread. For two who learn to bend and care will build a bond both strong and fair. With open heart and patient grace, she walks beside her partner's pace. Together bearing life's demands, they shape their dreams with joined hands. The work they build, the home they raise, becomes the fruit of shared long days. And when old age at last appears, they taste the harvest of their years. But bitter words and careless blame can quietly wound the human frame. Harsh voices break what love has grown, and leave a heart to ache alone. A gentle voice, a ready smile, can heal a weary soul a while. Like medicine to tired hearts, such kindness plays its quiet part. Yet anger shouted loud and long can drain the body, break the strong. The weight of stress and restless mind invites the illness close behind. For sickness walks an unseen road, and comes when life is overowed. But those who live with peace inside may walk with health as faithful guide. A virtuous wife with patient soul brings blessings that enrich the whole. Her partner, grateful by her side, receives the grace she does provide. The husband and wife are like one tree, two branches grown in harmony. Through wind and storm, they stand as one, and share the light of morning sun. They live together, side by side, with vows once made in love and pride. The rings they placed upon their hands still shine with promises and plans. For time runs fast, like arrows flown, and life is shorter than we've known. So, hand in hand, through all we face, they walk together to the last embrace.